Are you frustrated because your MacBook isn't charging? This is a common problem. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the MacBook no charging problem. Don't forget to subscribe to us and let's dive in. Method 1. Troubleshooting steps. Before we dive in, let's quickly rule out the obvious. First, check the port for any foreign objects or debris. Then inspect the cable for any signs of damage. Besides, make sure you charge your MacBook with its original charger. I know this all sounds a little basic, but double check before you proceed. Method 2. Next, let's try a quick experiment. Restart your MacBook. Think of it as a digital reboot. It often clears temporary files and refreshes the system. Does your Mac begin charging normally? If not, try the next method. Method 3. Check your battery health. To view the state of the battery health, go to System Settings and click Battery. Usually, you should see a dedicated battery health option. If it shows normal, your battery is functioning well. If it shows Service Recommended or Replace Soon, then you better replace soon. Method 4. Reset the SMC. The System Management Controller determines how your computer uses power. How you reset it depends on the age of your Mac and whether it has an Intel or Apple chip inside. If you have a Mac with Apple Silicon, simply restart your MacBook while it's plugged in. I have also put the reset methods for other models of Mac here. If you need a more detailed introduction, you can click the URL in the description area to view it yourself. Method 5. Upgrade your MacBook. Software updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements, which can also resolve charging issues. Go to System Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Method 6. Contacting Apple support. If you've tried all these steps and your MacBook still won't charge, it's time to consider taking it to an Apple store or an authorized service provider for diagnosis and repair. I hope this video helped you troubleshoot your MacBook charging issue. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.